Hi, this is Tolly Marnie. Today I'm going to try to make a, well, my wife has had this casita trailer forever. It's her love, joy. I think she liked it better than me. Anyway, she just recently sold it, and I took the license plates off of it, and I decided I'd make something for her out of it. And what I think I'm going to do is try to make a row of roses, well, at least a rose out of the license plate itself. So let's take a little bit of a journey and see if I can do it. Okay, thanks. Here you'll see some paper cutouts. They look like 4-leaf clovers. I'm going to take those and copy them on the license plate. I think I'd be able to get 4 or 5 of them. You'll see the smaller ones and larger ones. We're going to add them together and see what we can make out of it. Hopefully at the end, it's a rose. Okay, these tin snips seem like they'll do the job, so let's see what happens. On bigger, heavier material, I would use my plasma cutter. Next thing I'm going to do is take a nut and I'm going to weld it onto this piece of round rod I've been preparing. And then I'm going to use it as a stop. Then I'm going to layer all these things, this little guy first. And then I'm going to go big. Big again. And then my small ones right in the middle, like so. And then I'm gonna you can see the rose, well, the petals, they're all smashed together. The diamonds on the bottom, and then all the license plate covers are up. Now what I want to do is, so I was getting some ripping in the petals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a washer and stick it there, and then I'm going to weld it in place, and it should hold it into a firm, so we can continue on with the bending of this thing up. Okay. Now, let's see what happens if we go upwards with this. Okay, let's see if we can form this into some rose petals now. I'm going to roll some of these petals forward. Kind of wrap them right into themselves. And do the same with this one. Get that one down a little bit. bend it kind of over those petals a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing. Just start folding it into itself. And let's do the next one. Put this one there. And we'll bend that one up. There you go. A rose made out of a license plate. Anyway, there's a few more things you can do to it, but you get the idea. Kind of looks pretty cool, huh? Anyway, I'm going to straighten it up a little bit, and when I get done, I'll show you the final piece. Anyway. Imagine how you twist something that makes something different out of simple shapes. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your day. I did.